In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Eisenhower matrix in the ClickUp hierarchy. The Eisenhower matrix is a simple but powerful way to prioritize work by urgency and importance, and ClickUp makes it easy to set up a clear structure so your tasks live right where you need them in your workspace. Start by opening your ClickUp account in your browser and signing in as you normally do. Once you're in, look for the plus icon, the Create button you use to add new things in ClickUp. Click that plus icon, and from the options that appear, choose Use Template. This opens ClickUp's template library, which is the fastest way to get a ready-made Eisenhower setup without building it from scratch. In the template window, find the search bar and type Eisenhower matrix. You should see a template designed for prioritizing tasks across the 4 quadrants: urgent and important, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. Click the Eisenhower matrix template to open its details. Here you'll usually see a brief description and a preview so you know what will be added to your hierarchy. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a name. Give your matrix a clear, descriptive name that makes sense in your workspace. For example, name it after your team, project, or time period so everyone immediately understands its purpose at a glance. When you're happy with the name, click Use Template to confirm. Now wait patiently while ClickUp adds the template to your workspace. You may see a brief loading indicator. This is normal. When it's done, your Eisenhower matrix will appear in your sidebar or in the location ClickUp places new templates neatly integrated into your existing hierarchy. From here, feel free to explore and customize. Open the matrix and review the lists or views that represent the 4 quadrants. Rename labels to match your team's language. Adjust colors for quick scanning, and update any statuses so they reflect how you actually move work forward. If the template includes example tasks, use them to understand the layout, then remove or adapt them as needed. You can also fine-tune fields like priority, due dates, or assignees to align with your workflow. The goal is to make it effortless to drag tasks into the right quadrant and immediately see what deserves your attention first. That's it. You've set up the Eisenhower matrix in ClickUp and placed it right inside your hierarchy, ready to guide daily decisions and keep you focused on what matters most.